See, it turned out really cool. I order you to stop. Pretty cool, right? I created this scene from scratch. First, I generated an image of a cinematic battle between a medieval warrior and a dragon, and then I turned it all into a video with movement, camera work, and a movie trailer look. And the most interesting part is that this process combines two steps. GPT Image 2 to create the base image, and Seedance 2.0 to turn that image into an amazing video. Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today, I'm going to test this process inside EaseMate AI, create an image, animate that image, and turn a simple idea into a video. Ready to use on social media, campaigns, presentations, or creative projects. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to support us. Just click the join button. Alright, let's get to the video. EaseMate AI is a platform for creating videos with artificial intelligence, starting from text or images. The idea here is pretty straightforward. You describe an idea, generate an image with AI, and then use that image as a base to create an animated video. And in this video, the focus will be exactly on the GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 combo. So let's start by creating the image that will serve as the starting point for my video. Here, I'll use a prompt with a very cinematic look. So, as you can see, here in EaseMate AI, there are several tools that will help you with content creation. You have templates here that you can use to give that extra touch to your video or image. I'll show you all of this in a moment. So, starting here with creating my image. I'm here in the AI image tab, then I'll select text to image in this field. Here, I'll paste my prompt. If you want, you can let the artificial intelligence itself improve this prompt for you. Here in the model, I'll select GPT Image 2. For the aspect ratio, I'll set it to 16 by 16 x-9. And for the resolution, I'll choose 2K here. Once that's done, just ask it to generate. Done, it's already finished. And take a look at how my base image turned out. That is, the image I'll use to create my video. Now, let's move on to part number 2. I'm going to download this image. Now, I'll select AI video here, I'll choose image to video, but there's also the option for text to video and video to video. So, let's go with the first one here. In the model, I'll select Seedance 2, I'll upload the image I just generated. Image selected. Now I'm going to enter the prompt to create my video by animating this image. Like a cinematic trailer scene, the camera should slowly move forward toward the medieval warrior, and so on. I entered a pretty complete prompt here with the proportions. I'll set it to 16 by 9, and for the quality, I'll leave it at 720p duration, 10 seconds. I'm going to ask it to generate the audio, and I'll also leave the option to search the web enabled. Once that's done, I'll ask it to generate my video. Done, it's finished already. Let's watch. I'll stop it there. Pretty cool, right? So this is amazing because this step already solves an important part of the creative process here. Instead of starting my video from scratch, I first create a clear visual direction with lighting, setting, composition, character, creature, and style. This really helps a lot for people who create content, as well as thumbnails, short videos, or promotional materials. So, instead of asking AI to create the video directly, no. First, I generate my image and put it here inside the tool. And from there, I ask EaseMate AI to take this static image and turn it into a video. Now, you guys have probably seen those viral videos on the internet where someone puts themselves in a soccer crowd, especially now during the World Cup. So, you can take a photo of anyone and ask AI to make it look like you're there, watching the game in the crowd of any team. Let's see how this works. To do this test, I used a photo of my wife. Then, I followed these steps. Pay attention. I opened EaseMate AI, chose the AI video option, and look, the FIFA World Cup 2026 option already shows up here. Then, you just need to click there, you only need to scroll down, and down here, the trends appear, which you can copy and use with any image you want. There's also an option here for video. So look, there are several videos here where you can copy the prompt, upload your own photo, and let AI create an original video for you. And there's also the image option. Look, other options here where you can simply generate an image if you don't want to generate a video. Let's go. I'll show you how to create this video. I'll select video, and since I want to use this template, I'll click here to make something similar. Notice that the prompt is automatically placed here for me, so I don't need to worry about this part. Now, I just need to add my wife's photo here, so I'm going to delete this one. From the template, I'll click on the plus sign. I selected my wife's photo here in the format since it's for social media. I'm going to choose vertical, so I'll set it here to 9:16, and for the quality, I'll leave it at 720. I'll leave the audio generation enabled here to give it that cheering atmosphere, and I'll also enable web search here. Once that's done, just ask it to generate. Done, it's finished here. Let's see how it turned out. And let's see how... Let's go. Pretty cool, right? So, that's it. You can take a picture of yourself, a friend, your wife, your brother, your son, anyone you want. You upload this image here, select the template. And that's really cool because you don't have to worry about the prompt. The prompt is already set up here. You just need to ask to recreate it using the same command, and from there, you choose the image you want. Let's do more tests. So, the first thing you have to do is click here on this option, FIFA World Cup 2026. Then you can generate the image first. So I'll set it to image here. I'll choose a photo of my wife here. The prompt is automatic. It's already been set here. Since it's for social media, I'll leave it at 9:16, image quality 2K, and I'll ask it to generate. Remember that it's always important to choose the GPT Image 2 model here, because it's the most advanced model available here on EaseMate AI. So, by choosing this model, you're guaranteed to get a high quality image here. Look, it's already finished generating the image here. It turned out nice. So the idea is to take this image and turn it into a video. So, the first thing, I'm going to download the image here to my computer. Then I'll come back here, in the tools, select a video, and upload the image I just generated. Cdance 2.0 Model 9:16 ratio. For resolution, I'll leave it at 720, and I'll choose 10 seconds audio generation enabled, web search as well. I'll send it done. It's already finished here. Let's watch to see how it turned out. Applause. Pretty cool, right? So guys, these are just two of the many features available here in EaseMate. Besides generating images and videos, there are other options as well. For example, you also have a chat here so you can talk to all these artificial intelligence models that are available here. GPT-4 or Mini DeepSeek v3.2, DeepSeek R1 and so on. You have this tool here, which is really cool as well, that lets you chat with your PDF and ask it to summarize, translate, and so on. Another really cool tool is this one, which will help you research and study. So here you have an AI that will help you solve math exercises. Besides math, you have an AI here that will also help you solve physics and chemistry exercises. To make flashcards to help you study, the quiz generator, and so on. In addition, still referring to video generation, there are also several tools here that can help you when producing your content. So, here you have text to video, image to video, audio to video, image animator, video upscaler, video enhancer, video editor, and many others. And the same goes for images. There's an AI here to help you change clothes, swap faces, enhance your photo, recreate a photograph in a different style, and so on. So guys, give it a try. You can start with a free plan. And if you like it, you can go for the light plan, which costs $7.40. And then, if you need it, if you're using it professionally, there's also the option for the pro plan. So give it a try. And then come back here in the comments to tell me what you thought of EaseMate AI. Pretty cool, right? And the most interesting thing is that this process gives you much more control instead of making you rely only on direct prompts. For video, you first define the image, adjust the visual direction, and only then animate the scene. To try out the EaseMate AI video generator, the link is here in the description and also in the first pinned comment, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Haptic feedback stutters under my thumb.